How to concentrate on studying. Study is not merely the process of reading lines of a book. It involves understanding ideas and grasping learning content in every sentence you read. Hence, concentration is indispensable for meaningful studying. Students need to pay full heed to what they study in order to learn properly. Concentrating literally means to direct all your attention to an activity and avoid thinking about any other thing. You need to be focused on your study and to be free from other thoughts which are likely to hinder the process of your learning. Studying with full concentration leads to effective and productive studying. Student may find it hard to throw off his mind all other thoughts and to concentrate purely on his studies. Here are some important tips which will help you to concentrate on your study. Tip 1. Study in such place where you can concentrate more. A place having no distraction. The place where you usually study should be devoid of such things which may attract your attention and divert you from your study. The place of your study should not have such things like a television, appealing colors and lights, very complex sensories, or kids playing around. These are the major distractions which interfere your concentration. Such things are most likely to distract you from your study and you find it difficult to concentrate on your study properly. Hence, there should be no or less distractions at your study place. Tip 2. Avoid other activities while you study. Students have habit of studying as well as engaging in other activities at the same time, such as texting on their cell phones, listening to music, and chatting on Facebook. It is not a good habit. When you carry on other activities while you study, you cannot focus on your study. Engaging in other activities steals your attention. You should close all such activities during your study in order to concentrate on your study and learn meaningfully. Similarly, studying more than one subject at a time is not advisable. Next, tip 3. Throw other thoughts out of your mind while you study. Sitting in front of book and avoiding other activities may not always be enough for effective study. Sometimes students find it hard to focus on book due to irrelevant through haunting his mind, such as thoughts about his hobby, a movie, game, or some serious issue. It is a very common problem, but you can overcome it with practice. When you sit to study, try to forget about all other activities and be focused on your study. Initially, you will have difficulty in concentrating and throwing off mind all other thoughts. But after some time, you will acquire the habit of concentrating on your study. Remember, think only about study while you study because it is now the time for your study. If there is some pending task which keeps into your mind during your study, better you do it first and then start your study so that you can pay your full attention to study. Next, tip 4. Willingness for your study. Being willing to study is indispensable for concentrating on your study. You should have interest in your studies in order to be able to focus on it. If you are not willing to study and view study as a forced activity, you can never study with full concentration. Next, tip 5. Prioritize your tasks. Prioritizing and scheduling tasks is very much important. Make a list of your priorities and schedule them accordingly. You should have proper time for all your activities such as study, hobbies, games, and so on. Scheduling your priorities accordingly helps you accept timings for each task. You accept it is psychologically. When it is time for study, you realize that it is time only for study, which helps you concentrate on your study more properly. Tip 6. Avoid studying for long hours in one sitting. Taking short interval for relaxation. Studying for long hours without any breaks bores a student. Studying for long lets student lose interest in his study. Having no or less interest in study makes it difficult to concentrate on studying. Never study for long hours. Always take short breaks after an hour, half an hour or two to refresh your mind for further study. It will enhance your interest in study as well as enables you continue your study with concentration. Tip 7. Have good bed rest. Brain, like the other parts of the body, gets tired due to all the activities of whole day, and it affects the capabilities of brain. The brain requires full relaxation for its efficient performance. Never skip or reduce your bed sleep. You should sleep for at least 7 hours in the night to relax and refresh your brain for the next day. Next, tip 8. Physical and mental exercise is important. Regular physical exercise is essential to brain health. It enhances blood flow to brain. During physical exercise, certain hormones are released in body which beneficial for human performance. Having healthy life equates to having good concentration power. Apart from physical exercise, there are also some mental exercises which are designed for improving concentration power, such as concentrating on dark spot on paper, yoga, and so on. Next, tip 9. Have proper diet. Avoid excessive use of tea and tobacco. Healthy intake plays important role acquiring good concentration power. Your diet should be rich in all the necessary nutrients, including the vitamins, proteins, and carbohydrate in right amounts. Take a good breakfast as your brain requires healthy intake after starving for whole night. Give up exercise, use of tea, coffee, and tobacco. It may energy for a short time but renders you slugging in the long run.